Hey guys, this is Nitesh again, and today I'm going to tell you about one thing that is maybe you are bugging also with this thing that I think you might know about this thing that YouTube has limited the video resolution in India. That means if we are watching any YouTube content on our mobile phones, then it's going to be restricted only till 480p. Even if you have the highest end smartphones like your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, OnePlus series like OnePlus 7 Pro was there with a Quad HD screen. Then we have OnePlus 7T Pro, OnePlus 8 Pro, and there are multiple other devices on which the Quad HD screens are available, like the S20 series and all. So if you are still stuck, see, not even S20s, not even the Quad HD phones and all, you can't even watch 720p videos. It's restricted to 480p. So even if you have a HD ready screen or if you have a full HD screen, still you are not going to be able to use that particular resolution, and you cannot watch the YouTube videos in India itself. But yeah, there is a but. So what you can do is, there is a way by which you can unlock that what we can say the threshold, and you can increase the resolution up till the highest resolution available in your device. Like if the earlier it was for your phones it's Quad HD or maybe the full HD or 720p, you can crank that up. So in this video I'm going to quickly tell you about that particular thing, that how you can achieve that thing in a second. So let's get started. So guys, what you require is, you just need to go to the Play Store, and there what you have to do is you have to search for VPN. Just type in these three letters and select the VPN option, and there you can see this thing. If you can closely look over it, there is an option of Super VPN free VPN client. See, right now I have installed that particular VPN in my device, so I suggest you guys to just install it. There is a con with the VPN that it might take a load on your data, but still it is what we can say sufferable if you are getting around that kind of speed in your area. See, you are watching your content in 1080p or you are thinking to watch your content in Quad HD, that means you are getting a good speed. So in that case, what you can do is just install this free VPN in your phone, and what you can do is just open that VPN. It's going to take some time, depends on the internet thing. There are some ad issues or something. See, when we all get into it, there is no such thing ad that is going to pop up in between. So we're just going to use the VPN. So here, first of all, we are going to change the country, and we are going to select US from here. Then click on continue and click on connect. Might show some ads in between, but that's perfectly fine. Just using the app, the ad is going to come, and you can see over here, if you can focus here, you can see the VPN is visible now. It's been connected to the VPN. So now what you have to do is just remove that. Wait a second, let me just open the YouTube first. Click over here, select the YouTube, and remove it from the memory for the first time only. Okay, then what you're going to do is just open that YouTube again, and let me open one of my own videos, because see, the thing is, it might give me a copyright strike if I'm going to open any other video. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to open a video of mine that I have uploaded in 1080p, this one, and if you can see the resolution right now, let me just show it to you guys. So what you're going to do is just click over here on the three dots. Right now it's 240, and here you can see all the things is being unlocked, and I can open my video in 1080p. Okay, so that's the resolution you can get. You can quickly run the video now in 1080p itself. As you can see, it's going to be there. So let me show you, if I turn off that VPN, then what will going to happen. Let me just remove that YouTube app from here, and let me just turn off this VPN, disconnect it, and let me just open that YouTube again. And now you can see, if I open the same video again from my channel itself. And now, if I click over these three dots, the resolution is going to be different. Wait a second. If I click over here, you can see it's now restricted to 480p only. So guys, this is it. This is what I have to tell you. It's a very simple trick, and I hope it's going to help you out with the YouTube streaming at a higher range. See, my device, I was using the Vivo Nex, and it is capable till 1080p. I have OnePlus 7 Pro also, and I have checked it over that also. It is giving me Quad HD content over there, and I can watch the HDR content over it also. So this is it, guys. This is Nitesh Saxena channel, and you are watching this a simple trick from my side. Hope you guys are going to get a little bit help in watching a good quality video over the YouTube itself. Till then, guys, take care, be safe, and keep watching on my videos. I'm shortly going to come with this OnePlus 8 unboxing and the review. So keep watching on my channel. I'll be coming you and meeting you soon on this place itself. Take care.